people ask, specifically
I came
guys
across
ask,
this. This
why I
was
like Taylor Swift
cool.
so much. Obviously, her music's great, but then there was another part I had a hard time explaining. Just watch Kobe explain it.
I'm a big lover of music.
I was wondering. I was like, wouldn't it be funny if he's got like Taylor Swift in his car?
I do.
Really?
Yeah, I do. I do. I think it's important to listen to people who do great things. You know, so it's not just
Yes.
genre specific, but it's like, you know, Taylor's been at the top of the game for a very, very long time.
Yeah.
How and why?
Like it or not.
How does she write? How
Truth,
does she get
right?
into that mental space to be able to create things over and over and over? It's a lot of pressure for her to follow up a #1 album with a better album, then follow up
Yeah.
with a better. Like, I don't
Yep.
care if you like her music or if you don't like her music. Look at what she's
Success
doing.
leaves
I mean,
trails.
that's
Just
frightening
like
stuff. And it's
you don't have to
unbelievable
like
to be able
them.
to pull
Just
that off
look at if
over and
there's
over
something
and
they're
over and
doing.
over. And so I look at things like that to try to learn from her as much as I can. She's a sweet kid. I mean, she was a sweetheart to my girls before she even blew up and became Taylor Swift. So that's why, like, she needs anything from me, I'm always there. But you can't have that level of consistent success and not be a killer.
Being kind